In this second episode of the Developing Literacy video series, I'm going to talk about accountable talk. Accountable talk is a really simple strategy that any teacher can use to improve the confidence of their learners. It also helps to develop high quality, respectful talk and helps to develop their metacognitive reflection. Let's take a look. Accountable talk can be used in corporate and education settings. Let me explain how you can start to use this powerful learning and development strategy. Accountable talk is a way that learners can practice their listening skills and empathy. They seek to understand, not judge. The conversations that can take place using accountable talk offer rich experiences for learners as they allow for deeper and reflective thinking. Teachers can support accountable talk in the classroom by modelling subject-specific vocabulary and questioning. The framework that I use with my students is the Harvard Ladder of Feedback, which I hand out or project from a screen. Here is an example of a student interaction with another student using this framework. Student A: I think that only educated people should have the right to vote. Teacher: That's a really interesting perspective. Can you tell me a little more about it? Student A: Some people don't know anything about politics and still their vote counts, so they may not understand what they're voting for or might not vote at all. Student B: I think that you're right when you say that some people don't know anything about politics and this can lead to uninformed voting or low turnout. Student C: It seems to me that this might mean that the challenge is that some people find politics boring. Student D: What if politics became a compulsory school subject in the way that maths is? Now, what we can glean from this example of accountable talk is that using the Harvard Ladder of Feedback, the initial view of student A was not ridiculed or dismissed. Instead, it was explored by the students and they were encouraging each other to get to the heart of the issue, not just the headline that may have been interpreted as "only smart people should vote." To recap, accountable talk using the Harvard Ladder of Feedback uses the following steps: clarity, value, concerns, and suggestions. I'd be really interested to hear if or how you use accountable talk in your setting. Please leave any comments below. Thanks for watching.